Hi guys, if you're considering a real estate investment that maximizes space and generates steady rental income, this multi-story apartment with several units is an excellent option. In this video, we look at a modern apartment design with multiple floors and unique types. From the outside, this apartment building features a clean, modern architectural style with well-balanced proportions across multiple floors. Large windows and balconies are incorporated into the design to enhance lighting, ventilation, and overall aesthetics. The facade is furnished with the modern materials that gives the building a professional and attractive look. This apartment consists of several floors, each hosting multiple residential units. The vertical design allows efficient use of land while accommodating more tenants within a single development. Each floor is planned to ensure easy movement, proper spacing, and privacy for occupants. The building may include different type of units such as bedsitters, one bedroom apartment, two bedroom apartment, or even three bedroom apartment. Each unit is designed with a living area, kitchen space, modern uh, modern bathrooms, modern bedroom to meet the needs of different tenants. Oh. Modern layout often features open plan kitchen to create a more spacious and functional interior. Access between floors is provided through staircase, and in large development, elevators may also be included for conveniences. Corridors are well organized to allow smooth movement while maintaining privacy for each unit. A well-designed apartment includes adequate parking space, proper drainage system, and essential utilities such as water storage and waste management. These features improve livability and make the property more attractive to tenants. Multi-story apartment designs are highly efficient for investors as they allow for multiple income generating units on a single plot of land. They are ideal for urban and high demand rental areas like schools, colleges, universities. This apartment design combine functionality efficiently and modern aesthetics to create a sustainable real estate investment. If you want a similar apartment plan or professional construction services, contact us on 0724481087 or 0789217685. You can as well email us at info@westkenyarealestate.com. Re- Uh, at- don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also like our videos and West Kenya Real Estate Limited building smart investors. Thank you.